An appliance is a pre-built form of virtual machine, which makes it very easy to get up and running with VirtualBox. In order to establish a pen testing lab, we'll need to set up a platform to run tests from, and also set up a series of target systems to test. Let's start with the testing platform. Kali Linux is a special build of the Debian operating system, which is pre-configured with a large number of testing tools covering web, infrastructure and wireless testing requirements. It's the platform of choice for many pen testers. Kali can be installed as the only system on a hardware platform, and this is known as a bare metal installation. It can be loaded as a second bootable image on a platform with an existing operating system, known as a dual boot installation. It can also be run as a virtual machine on VMware or VirtualBox. I'll be using this approach and loading it into the VirtualBox environment I've set up. Offensive Security maintains a number of different Kali Linux downloads. Here we can see the latest 32 and 64-bit Kali files for VirtualBox, which are available for download. I'll be using the 64-bit version, which is a 3 GB 7Z compressed file, so it takes a while to download. We can short-circuit that delay, as I've already downloaded and unpacked the image, so let's get on and install it. I've extracted the Kali archive, and we can see that the virtual image, after unpacking, is Kali Linux 2016.1 VBox AMD64.OVA. This is the Kali rolling release, which incorporates through life operating systems and tool updates with its own code updates. I can install this by importing it as an appliance. To import this image, I'll select File, Import Appliance and point to my Kali Linux over file. VirtualBox shows me the appliance settings, which I can change by double-clicking on them. I'll change the name of the virtual machine to just Kali and then select Import. VirtualBox starts the import and proceeds without any need for further interaction. That was easy, and we now have a new virtual machine with Kali loaded. Loading an appliance provides a simple and speedy way to get up and running. I'll power Kali up by pressing the Start button, and we can see the system booting. We're ready to log in with the username root and the password tour. The Kali logo appears and we see the Kali main screen. We're all ready to go now. Before we leave the Kali install, let's update it. I'll select the command shell on the quick access list at the left, and I'll issue the command apt-get update and apt-get upgrade. This takes a little while, so I'll let it run.